Hi, my name's Simon Blackbourne. I'm a director and co-founder of Tahola. We're a Qlik partner based in the UK. And I wanted to talk to you very briefly about Qlik's Analytics Modernisation Programme and just share some of the highlights of this programme with you. So AMP, as it's known, what is it? What's it for? Who's it for? Well, it's for QlikView customers. Those customers with a current and up-to-date maintenance contract using QlikView who have yet to adopt Qlik Sense. It's designed by Qlik to encourage those organisations to adopt Qlik Sense in a easy and cost-effective way, enabling them to take advantage of some of the next generation capabilities that some of these new BI tools have, but without all of the disruption. With the knowledge that you've gained already with QlikView, adopting Qlik Sense will be a quick and easy process for you. And bearing in mind that we know that new features and new capabilities in QlikView have been quite limited in recent times, and it's unlikely that that will change going into the future, this is a great way for customers to be able to take advantage of what is considered to be one of the best platforms available on the market today. So how do you take advantage of this AMP program? Well, it's quite simple. It's based on what you pay per annum for your maintenance or your support for your QlikView licensing. If you pay less than $50,000, then you can add Qlik Sense into your license estate at absolutely no incremental annual investment to your maintenance fee. Now, this is a limited time program. It started on the 2nd of April 2020 and it runs until the 30th of June 2021. So if you're within that time period and your maintenance renewal is less than $50,000, then I would urge you to look at AMP as a way to take advantage of Qlik Sense. If, however, your maintenance renewal is greater than $50,000 or it is beyond the 30th of June 2021, then you can still take advantage of AMP, but there is an increment to your annual maintenance fee of 30%. Now, once you've gone through the process of completing the paperwork, which is really quite simple and straightforward, the way that it works is that Qlik will convert your current perpetual license model into a subscription license model. And your maintenance fee that you've been paying per annum will become your annual subscription fee. The subscription will be for a 3-year term, and Qlik will apply Qlik Sense licenses based on the license mix of QlikView licenses that you have. You'll have a choice of infrastructure, either using on-premise or Qlik's cloud environment, entirely up to you. The one word of warning I would urge is if you are an imprinting user, imprinting is not supported in Qlik's cloud environment, so you may decide that an on-premise environment will suit you better. You'll also need to check which version of QlikView you're on. You need to be using the April 2019 release or later, and that's because in order to adopt AMP and therefore have QlikView and Qlik Sense within your license estate, you need to be using Qlik's unified licensing and their QLS licensing server environment. So you must make sure you're on the right software. And obviously, as we've said already, you're going to retain QlikView during the term of AMP. So you're going to have both QlikView and Qlik Sense in your license estate. So when we think about what's in it for you, the opportunity is, of course, the ability for you to be able to drive more capability with more advanced functionality in a product such as Qlik Sense, to take advantage of a modern BI tool and the capabilities that brings, the augmented intelligence and the cognitive engine. But the opportunity also to not have to rush to replace or change QlikView. QlikView will remain in place, your users can still use it, they'll still have access to it. So the speed with which you choose to adopt Qlik Sense and potentially replace some of those QlikView apps is entirely up to you. There's no pressure on you. You have the option from Qlik to use their on-premise or SaaS environment, and there are data migration tools to help you move from View to Sense, should you want to just lift and shift your QlikView applications. So what does Qlik Sense offer you that View doesn't? Well, there are many capabilities that are new in Qlik Sense, such as the machine learning and AI capabilities, and the ability for it to make suggestions and automate some of the processing. There's natural language analytics being built in, particularly into the SaaS environment. There's Insight Advisor that will suggest reports and dashboards, visualizations that may be useful to you. The self-service capability to be able to give your users the ability to create their own dashboards and their own reports from a governed library of dimensions and measures. There's advanced authoring capabilities and analytics that integrate things like R and Python. There's many new visualizations, many more than you would get in QlikView. And of course, support for mobile, just absolutely necessary. So a very brief overview of Qlik's analytics modernization program, just to provide you with the key highlights of what this program includes. If you'd like any further information, then please contact info@tahola.com or call 01 442 211 122. Thank you very much.